Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-embarking on an extraordinary journey to a place often called the Switzerland of Africa, but which holds a magic entirely its own. We are heading to the Kingdom of Eswatini, a small, landlocked nation brimming with vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and some of the warmest people you'll ever meet. For many years, this country was known as Swaziland. But in 2018, King Mlilwane III officially renamed it the Kingdom of Eswatini, meaning Land of the Swazis. This change was more than just symbolic. It was a powerful reclamation of its pre-colonial identity. Nestled between South Africa and Mozambique, Eswatini might be one of Africa's smallest countries, but its heart is immense. From its lush green valleys to its rugged mountains, every corner of this kingdom tells a story. So, pack your sense of adventure, because we're about to explore the rich history, stunning nature, and unique traditions that make Eswatini a true hidden gem. Our journey begins in Mbabane, the administrative capital. Perched in the Dlangeni Hills, Mbabane isn't your typical bustling capital city. It has a relaxed, almost town-like feel that's incredibly welcoming. As you walk through its streets, you'll see a blend of modern buildings and traditional markets. One of the must-visit spots is the Swazi Market. It's a sensory explosion. You lines find everything from colorful handmade textiles and intricate beadwork to hand-carved wooden sculptures and traditional medicines. It's the perfect place to chat with local artisans, learn about their craft, and pick up a truly unique souvenir. Don't be shy, the vendors are friendly and love to share stories about their work. The market also offers a taste of local life and cuisine, with stalls selling fresh produce and simple, delicious Swazi meals. From the administrative hub, we journey just a short drive away to the very soul of the nation, Lobamba. This is the spiritual and cultural heart of Eswatini, home to the royal family and the seat of its legislature. Here, you'll find the Parliament building and the Royal Kraal. Lobamba is where the kingdom's identity truly comes alive. A visit to the National Museum is essential to understand the deep history of the Swazi people, their monarchy, and their traditions. The museum showcases artifacts, photographs, and exhibits that paint a vivid picture of the nation's past. Right next door is the King Sabuza II Memorial Park, a tranquil tribute to the beloved king who led the nation to independence. It's a place of reflection, offering insight into the man who shaped modern Eswatini. Visiting Lobamba feels like stepping into the living history of the kingdom. Now, let's trade the cityscapes for the wild heart of Eswatini. We're heading to the Mlilwane Wildlife Sanctuary, the kingdom's oldest protected area. What makes Mlilwane so special is its open-door policy. This isn't a place where you're confined to a vehicle. Here, you can hike, cycle, or even horseback ride among the animals. Because there are no large predators in the main visitor area, you can safely get remarkably close to zebras, wildebeest, nyalas, and impalas grazing peacefully. Imagine cycling down a dirt path as a family of warthogs trots by, or sitting by a water hoe watching crocodiles bask in the sun. The landscape itself is stunning, with rolling plains, rocky outcrops, and quiet forests. Mlilwane was born from a conservation dream, a former farming and tin mining area transformed into a haven for wildlife. It's a testament to Eswatini's commitment to preserving its natural heritage, and it offers an intimate and unforgettable safari experience. But Eswatini's true magic is perhaps most powerfully felt during its incredible cultural festivals. The two most famous are the Umhlanga, or reed dance, and the Inkwala, or first fruits ceremony. The Umhlanga, usually held in late August or early September, is a spectacular week-long ceremony. Tens of thousands of unmarried and childless women and girls travel from across the kingdom to gather reeds. They then present these reeds to the Queen Mother to help repair the windbreaks around the royal residence. The final days are a dazzling display of song, dance, and celebration, with the participants dressed in vibrant traditional attire. It's a powerful expression of female unity and a tribute to the royal family. Then there's the Inkwala, held in December or January. This is the kingdom's most sacred and important ritual. It's a complex, lengthy ceremony that is more about kingship, national prayer, and cleansing than just a festival. The timing is determined by ancient astrological cycles, and its purpose is to renew the strength of the king and the nation for the coming year. While parts of the ceremony are private and sacred, the public portions are a mesmerizing spectacle of ancient chants, dances, and rituals performed by warriors in full traditional regalia. Witnessing either of these events is like stepping into a living, breathing cultural masterpiece. It has a profound experience that connects you directly to the soul of the Swazi people and their enduring traditions. Beyond the major attractions, the charm of Eswatini lies in its small moments and stunning landscapes. Driving through the country is a joy in itself. You'll pass through the Mlilwane Valley, often called the Valley of Heaven, which is dotted with craft markets, hotels, and even a hot spring. Sibi Rock, the world's second largest monolith after Australia's Uluru, offers a challenging but rewarding hike with panoramic views from the top. You can explore the lush forests of Mlilwane Nature Reserve, home to rare birds and cascading waterfalls. Every turn in the road seems to reveal another beautiful vista, another friendly face, another reason to fall in love with this country. The people of Eswatini, the Swazis, are known for their hospitality and warmth. There's a genuine sense of community and pride here. Taking the time to interact with locals, perhaps by visiting a cultural village or just striking up a conversation at a market, will enrich your journey immensely. Mlilwanes discover a nation that has masterfully balanced the preservation of its ancient culture with the realities of the modern world. It's a place where tradition isn't just a relic of the past. It's a vibrant, living part of daily life. Eswatini teaches us that a nation's wealth isn't measured by its size, but by the richness of its culture and the spirit of its people. So, if you're looking for an African adventure that's off the beaten path, one that offers a deep cultural immersion alongside incredible wildlife and scenery, look no further than the Kingdom of Eswatini. It's a country that will surprise you, charm you, and leave a lasting impression on your heart. It's a small kingdom with a giant soul, waiting to be discovered. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to the incredible Kingdom of Eswatini. If you enjoyed this virtual trip, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Eswatini or if it's on your travel list. Until next time, travel safely and stay curious.